Hello everyone. My name is Devashish Wadi and today we will start the ongoing series of your computer organization, and today's topic will be demultiplexer. So in the last class we have already discussed about the concept of multiplexer, and the opposite of multiplexer is nothing but my demultiplexer. So what happens in case of multiplexer? In case of multiplexer, there are many input lines are there and only one single output lines are present. In case of multiplexer, many input and one single output, or you can say that many to one. The opposite of multiplexer is the demultiplexer, and in case of demultiplexer, only one input line is there and many output line is present. That is, you can say that demultiplexer is one to many. Okay, so let us start today's topic, that is nothing but my demultiplexer. So demultiplexer is a combinational circuit that performs the reverse operation of your multiplexer. First thing is, demultiplexer is a combinational circuit. Like your multiplexer, demultiplexer is also a combinational circuit. Combinational circuit means the output only depends upon the present input. Okay, like your adder, multiplexer is also a combinational circuit. And demultiplexer, what I have already told you, it always performs the reverse operation of your multiplexer. Reverse operation means in case of multiplexer, many input lines are there, and from this many input lines, only single output line is present. But the opposite of multiplexer is demultiplexer. In demultiplexer, only single input line and more than one output line is present. And main important thing in both multiplexer and demultiplexer is the selector line. Okay. In case of demultiplexer, n selection lines is present, and depending upon this n selection lines, 2 to power n output lines are present. For example, if in a demultiplexer, 2 selector line is there, so automatically 2 to power 2, that is 4 output line is present. If in a demultiplexer, 3 selection line is present, then 2 to power 3, 8 output lines are present. If in a demultiplexer, 4 selection lines are there, 16 output lines are present, 2 to power 4. Okay. So the input will be connected to one of these output based on the value of selection lines. Okay. The input is connected to any of the output line. There are many output lines, and the input will be connected at a time only one output line, and which output line is selected, that mainly depends upon the selection lines. Okay, so let us start. So see, this is the block diagram of your demultiplexer. Only one input line is there and n selection lines are there, and depending upon the n, 2 to power n output lines are present. If 2 selector lines are there, 4 output line is present. If 3 select line is there, 8 output lines are present. So since there are n selection lines, there will be 2 to power n possible combination of zeros and ones. So each combination can select only one output. At a time, only one output is selected. So demultiplexer is also called as DMOS. In short form, you can say that it is a DMOS. Multiplexer is called as MOS, and demultiplexer is otherwise called as DMOS. Okay. So this is the reverse of your multiplexer. In multiplexer, we have already studied about 4 cross 1 multiplexer. The opposite is 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. 1 cross 4 demultiplexer means one single input line and 4 output line is present. This denotes my input line and this denotes my output line. 1 means single input line, 4 means 4 output lines are present. Okay. So this is the block diagram of your 1 to 4 demultiplexer line. Only one single input line and 4 output line is there. So if 4 output line is there, automatically 2 selector line S0 and S1 is present. Okay, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Okay. So 1 cross 4 demultiplexer has one input, okay, I, 2 selector lines S0 and S1 and 4 output lines Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0. Okay, so this is nothing but my block diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. And in the next slide, we will see what is the truth table of 1 to 4 demultiplexer and which output line is selected. Either Y3 is selected, Y2 is selected, Y1 is selected or Y0 is selected. That depends upon your S0 and S1. What is the value of S0 and S1? And which output line is selected. Okay, so this is the truth table of your 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. So see, S1 and S0 are the selector lines. Okay, so 2 selector lines are there. So what are the different values? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so which output is selected? Okay, which output is selected? Either Y3 is selected, Y2 is selected, Y1 is selected or Y0 is selected. These are the different output lines. Okay, these are the 2 selector lines S1 and S0. Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 are the different output lines. So which output line is selected? That depends upon your value of S0 and S1. If both the values are 0, okay, if both the values are 0, that means 0. So 0 means the output line Y0 is selected. If 0, that means this input line is connected to this output line Y0. So Y0 is selected. Okay, Y0 is selected. If S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, so this value is nothing but my 1 and automatically Y1 output line is selected. Okay, that means this I is connected to this Y1. If S1 is 1 and S0 is 0, 1 0 means generally decimal 2, so Y2 is selected. That means this input line is selected to Y2. This input line is connected to Y2. If both are 1, S1 and S0, that is 11 and decimal representation is 3, so Y3 output line is selected. That means this input line is connected to this Y3 output line. That means if both the value is 0, Y0 is selected. If one value is 0, other value is 1, that is 0, 1, Y1 is selected. If S1 is 1, S0 is 0, Y2 is selected. If both the values is 1, Y3 is selected. So from this truth table, I will derive some expressions. See, Y3 is equal to S1, S0, I. Why? See, Y3 is equal to, this Y3 is equal to, S1 value is 1, S0 value is 1. So S1, S0 and I. Okay. Y2 is equal to S1, S0 complement I. Y2 is equal to, see, S1 value is 1, so S1, S0 value is 0, so S0 complement, and I. 1 means same, okay, 0 means complement. Always 1 means same, 0 means complement. Here both S1 and S0 value is the same. If both S1 and S0 value is 1, so S1, S0. Here S0 value is 0, so S1, S0 complement. What is the value of Y1? Now in Y1, S0 is 1, S1 is 0. That means S1 complement, S0. See, S1 complement, S0. What is the value of Y0? What is the value of Y0? Y0 means both are 0. Y0 means both are 0. That means S1 complement, S0 complement. S1 complement, S0 complement. In this way, you can derive the different expressions. Okay. If both the values are 1, then same. If 0, then complement. Y3 means S1, S0, I. Y2 means S1, S0 complement, I. Y1 means S1 complement, S0, Y1. Sorry, I. And Y0 means both are 0, so S1 complement, S0 complement, I. Okay. So from this expression, I will draw the logic circuit of 1 cross 4 multiplexer. See. So this is the logic circuit of 1 cross 4 multiplexer. What are the different inputs? I, S1, S0. So I draw 3 lines. This is the I line, this is S1 line, and this is S0 line. Okay. The inputs are there, I, S1, S0, and these are the outputs. Okay. So how I can find Y3? Now S1, S0, I. See, Y3 means this I line, okay, S1 line, S0 line. Both are combined with AND symbol. AND symbol means dot symbol. S1 dot S0 dot I. So both trees are connected with this AND gate. So this is nothing but my Y3. Then what is Y2? Y2 means S1, S0 complement, I. See this is Y2. Y2 means, see the lines of S1. This is S1. Okay. This is S1. Then S0 complement. S0 complement. S0 complement means this line is S0. And complement means not get. Complement means not get. So I can put a not symbol. Triangle with small circle. So this is known as my S0. Not symbol. S0 prime. And this line is I. This line is comes here. Okay. This whole line is I. So I. So this is known as my Y2. What is Y1? S1 complement S0 I. So see, from S1, this is the not get. Complement means not get. From this is S1 complement. Okay, this line is S1 complement. Okay, then S0. This line is S0. Okay, S0 and I. This is Y. And what is Y0? Both are complement. S1 complement, S0 complement. So from S0 complement, see, from S0 complement, this is the S1 complement. See, this is the S1 complement. So from this S1 complement, I will derive one line here. So this is the S0 complement. From S0 complement, I will derive a line. Okay, and this is the I. Okay, so this is the value of Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, and this is the logic diagram, logic circuit of your 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Okay, so go through the previous lecture carefully, and if you have facing any problem in any time, please ask me. Thank you.